Hey everyone, let's be real. Staying fit is tough. Between a busy schedule, bad weather, and just the sheer cost of a gym membership, it's very easy to let our health slide. But what if we can get a premium Peloton level cycling experience without the premium Peloton price tag? That's exactly why I'm so excited to show you this.
This is the YESOUL G1M PLUS bike.
I've been using it right here in my garage and it's a complete game changer. Now, if you love Peloton classes but don't love the idea of spending over $2,000 on a bike, listen up.
YESOUL G1M PLUS
is
bike
fully capable with the Peloton app. You can just take their free classes or use their free trial and cast it right on this massive 21.5-inch HD screen. Let me break down the math for you. A Peloton bike will run you about $2,495 plus $44 monthly membership. That's over $3,000 in the first year alone. This YESOUL bike is a fraction of the cost for the hardware, and you still get to use the same Peloton app. You're getting the exact same class experience for less than a quarter of the price. It's the smartest hack in home fitness. And that leads me to this brilliant screen. It's not just big and crystal clear, it also rotates a full 360 degrees. And tilts. That means after my ride, I can swivel it, follow a stretching tutorial on YouTube, and cool down properly. Speaking of apps like YouTube and Spotify, YESOUL doesn't force a mandatory subscription on you to use the basic features. So it's really easy. You just plug in the included cable, mirror your device, and you're good to go. It makes workouts fly by. Now, a cheap bike feels cheap. This does not. The steel frame is incredibly solid, no shaking, even when I'm riding out of the saddle. The seat is comfortable and adjustable. The handlebars have perfect grip, and the magnetic resistance is completely silent. So you won't wake up the house, and the ride is super smooth. And if you want stronger tension, all you do is tighten this, and it makes the wheel real hard to turn. You loosen it, and it makes it easier. One of my favorite features is the immersive audio system. It has powerful quad speakers with enhanced bass. Let me turn it up so you can hear it.
Down, and up, settle, almost there, up.
It really pulls you into the workout and keeps you super motivated and energized. This bike isn't just for hardcore fitness people. It's perfect for busy professionals who need to squeeze in a ride before meetings, parents who need to work out at home while the kids are napping or even watching cartoons on the screen, anyone who wants to get healthier without the hassle and cost of a gym. It's about making fitness convenient, enjoyable, and sustainable. If you're ready to experience this for yourself, I've got an amazing deal for you. Use this exclusive link to get $100 off your very own YESOUL G1M PLUS bike. I'll put the link in the description as well. It truly is the best Peloton alternative out there. Thanks for watching, guys. Get out there, get moving, and see you in the next video.